Festival 2025 mga koys. Kira koys, ang karon koys, lalabot sa another episode sa tuang Kaamulan Boot Bisita. O gato, karon atong bisitahon ang Experience Bukidnon Boot.
Ang Experience Bukidnon kay isa ka clothing line nga namugna with the goal of promoting the rich culture and ethnicity of Bukidnon. The brand was founded by a group of individuals who were passionate about preserving and showcasing the unique traditions and custom of Bukidnon. Ang maong clothing line naga-feature og lahi-lahi nga mga design nga inspired by the indigenous people of Bukidnon. Apil na dito ang mga traditional patterns and motif. Experience Bukidnon has quickly become a popular brand among people who are interested in preserving and promoting the culture and ethnicity of Bukidnon. Ang maong brand na ay strong online presence and has become a go-to destination para sa mga tao nga nagapangita og authentic Bukidnon-inspired clothing ug accessories. As the brand continues to grow, Experience Bukidnon remains committed to preserving and promoting the culture of Bukidnon through their clothing line. The brand is dedicated to providing customers with high-quality, authentic products that represent the unique traditions and custom of Bukidnon. So unsa paghihulat ninyo mga kuys, bisitahan na sila samtang naa pa sila sa booth sa Capitol Ground. And that's it mga kuys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye!